In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or unhide your Telegram chats, essentially showing you how to archive or unarchive your conversations on Telegram. This can be a useful skill, whether you want to declutter your chat list or keep certain conversations out of the immediate view without deleting them. So let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process together. To get started, you'll need to open up Telegram web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the Telegram website and logging into your account if you're not already. Once you're logged in and looking at your chat list, head over to the specific chat you want to hide. To begin hiding a chat, simply right-click on the chat you've chosen. A context menu should appear, giving you several options. From here, go ahead and click on Archive. It's as simple as that. Your chat is now out of sight, neatly tucked away in the archive section. Archiving is perfect for organizing your space without losing any important messages. Now let's say you want to access your archived chats or perhaps unarchive one. At the top of your chat list, you should see 3 horizontal lines. This is your menu. Click on these lines and a new set of options will appear. One of those options is archived chats. Click on it and you'll be able to see all the chats you've previously archived. If you want to bring a chat back to the main list, perhaps because you need easy access to it again, you simply repeat a process similar to archiving. Within the archive chat section, right-click on the chat you want to unarchive. The context menu will pop up once more. Here, you'll now select unarchive. And just like that, the chat will reappear in your main chat list, ready for you to interact with again. By following these steps, you can easily manage your Telegram chats, keeping your chat list organized and focused on what you need at any given time. Whether you're hiding them for privacy, organization, or simply to reduce clutter, you have full control over your conversations and can access them whenever necessary. This simple yet effective method ensures that you maintain the privacy and cleanliness of your Telegram experience. Try this out, and soon you'll find your chat list a lot more manageable. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to explore more features to make the most out of Telegram. Stay organized, and I'll see you in the next video.